Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of CivOps Knife&Gear, reviewing all the EDC gear for everyone from the discerning civilian all the way to the experienced operator. Please go ahead and follow us on Instagram at CivOps_gear whenever you get a chance. Also, if you have a second, please go ahead and like any of these videos, leave us a comment, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share this video with anybody you know, in this case, who uses EDC pouches. My friends, today we're here to talk about what I now consider the ultimate EDC pouch. We've gone through Maxpeditions, we've gone through VanQuests, we've gone through an assortment of others. In fact, if you scroll down through my previous videos, you'll see one that covers a whole wide range of them. I have come since to find this by Propper. This is what I now consider to be my ultimate daily carry pouch. Now, I have to explain to you that I don't use my daily carry pouch to hold my wallet and a knife and flashlight and stuff like that. That stuff lives in my pockets. What I use my daily pouch for is what I call my oh crap bag, meaning any time throughout the day when I would say to myself, oh crap, I wish I had X, Y, or Z, fill in the blank. Those are the things that I keep in here. A screwdriver, eye drops, chapstick, an extra battery, a phone charger, X, Y, Z, things like this that I find throughout the day myself saying, boy, I wish I had fill in the blank. So when it comes to those things, I have come to find this Propper EDC pouch, and it is what I say is amazing. It didn't come with everything you need. We're going to open it up and I'll show you exactly what it comes with and doesn't come with. But first, some quick dimensions, because this is a biggin. This EDC pouch comes in at a full 10 inches long, and let's see, usably 8 inches wide. So, you know, 8.5 by 11 is a sheet of paper. This comes in at 8 by 10. So you're looking at like a little binder sized book. When it's totally full, let's see the thickness on this fella. Comes in 2.5, realistically 3 inches. So this is a binder size EDC pouch all day long. Now, I'm going to show you why I find it to be absolutely invaluable. It opens up sideways. I wouldn't open it up and down. It opens up sideways like a long book. All right? And it extends to, obviously, 21 inches of EDC carry. Plus there is a Velcro pocket in the rear, and plus a little hook on the back. Some Velcro in the front if you've got some patches you want to put on it, no problem. I keep this little Kershaw pub knife on the rear. I guess actually I shouldn't say I don't keep a knife in my EDC pouch. I keep this one, but this is not my daily carry. But we'll put it down here. That is the first thing that's kept in here. In the back, also, I keep 3 things. A notepad, a Constitution, and a phone charger. A very thin Mophie phone charger. And I like this phone charger a lot because it's thin, about the size of one of the old iPhones maybe. So those 3 things sit in the rear. Let's see what's going on in the front. There are two EDC panels which Velcro into the book. In other words, these straps are not part of the pouch itself. I will show you as we take stuff out. These Velcro, stretch cords here are part of this panel, and the panel Velcros into the book. All right. So the book comes with one of these. You can buy another one to fill up the other side for, gosh, I think it was $9 or $10 or $11 on Amazon. I think it was $8.99 maybe for a separate one. And now obviously you have two sides, and it's got the thickness to accommodate two sides. So what are the things that I am currently keeping in my EDC pouch? Right in the middle, I keep these pop-ups. These are little chalky discs that are dry little mini hockey puck type discs, and you drop a couple drops of water on these or dip it in a glass of water, and this unfolds into a full wet wipe. So these are extremely handy. Keep those in there. I keep Advil. I'm a headache guy. Chapstick. Eyeglass screwdriver. Right? Extra lighter. Nail clipper. A charger for my Apple Watch. Apple Watch charger. I'm an eye drops guy. Regular eye drops, itchy eye allergy eye drops. Extra battery for the Streamlight flashlight, extra flashlight that's kept in here. You gotta have cords. If you're gonna use a phone charging battery, then you gotta have a cord to plug your phone into it. Let's see. I keep this to recharge the batteries for both the watch and the phone. Extra pair of AirPods fit in here no problem. Some very strong breath mints, super important. And then an extra Breathe Right strip and some thick Band-Aids should I spend the night somewhere, or should I end up with a little boo-boo. Along with those, on this side are some alcohol swabs. In fact, just the other day, I was in my car, cut the crap out of myself, used an alcohol swab and a Band-Aid. It was perfect. Some Benadryl. Some hand sanitizer. I go through this all the time. These are great. You can refill these little canisters and it sprays out your Purell or your hand sanitizer of choice. I keep extra cologne. Goes with the breath mints. Over here, I keep a little pry tool. Little pry bar, super useful. Actually, probably of all the tools, besides the screwdriver, probably use this the most. I keep a min-inch screwdriver. If you guys haven't used min-inch, this is a pen-style screwdriver with bits that pop out, and you can reload them in the top, and the next bit comes out the bottom. It'll hold 5 bits inside the pen itself, and then of course there are extra bits that I'm able to keep in the pockets here. So this is extremely useful. Use this pretty often. Able to fit all of this stuff in here. Plus a little Gerber blade. Not really a pocket knife, but you know, nice to have a razor. Also keep a min-inch scissors and razor. This is also from min-inch. This is a scissors pen. And on the other side, if you unscrew the top, there is another razor blade. So this is a handy little thing. Don't often use the razor blade. Most of the time I grab that Gerber for that, but the scissors are helpful. And then of course a pen, because I had a notepad, gotta have a pen. This is a pen, I found this on Amazon. It's got a lead pencil tip, turn it a little more. It's got a black pen, turn it a little more. It's got a red pen. So kind of reminds me of those those pens we all had as kids with the 4 different colors on top. You push down the little lever for the color you want, but this is pretty handy. So all of this stuff is able to easily and conveniently fit inside this Propper pouch. Like I said, running about 8 by 10. Both sides are removable. And as much as you can fill up into one of these pouches, that's how much you can carry ×2 in this Propper EDC pouch. So I wanted to show this to you guys because, you know, here at CivOps we review EDC gear. An EDC pouch is perhaps the most prevalent of EDC gear, and I found this one to be just everything that I've been looking for in an EDC pouch. It's got all of the room, and really it accommodates enough long items that you want to keep vertically. So this I found in a store in Burbank, California for about $22, I think, with one pouch included. Or I'm sorry, with one panel included. I got the other panel on Amazon for about, like I said, I think it was $8.99, could have been $11.99. So total running about $35 for this pouch, and it holds absolutely everything. I hope you find this useful. You can, I'm sure, also find this Propper bag on Amazon or eBay or probably Propper.com. Good luck to you guys. Hope that's helpful, and hope you found, hope you're running an EDC pouch that does everything you want it to do. If not, maybe give this Propper a look. I'll see you guys on the very next CivOps gear review. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.